So I'm all rested up. So I rolled in here just as the sun was going down. I'm gonna roll out of here just as the sun's coming up. This place comes alive at night. You can hear all the birds as they're settling down for the night, and they keep going. There's all the insects and crickets and locusts, and they're just making noise. I could hear dingoes crawling in the night, like screeching in the night. And then I got woken up by crows and birds and cockatoos and all the other stupid things singing. They say singing, they mean squawking.
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow. Sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past cause it always shows. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in
Rock and
my
roll.
mind, constant deja vu. But every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa.
I don't know if you'll see them, but there's loads of these little green birds. They look like the size of finches. They're tiny. They look like the leaves on the trees, but they're not. I'll see if I can catch them for you. There'll be thousands, and you'll see them all just flying off maybe if I'm quick enough. Oh, they're all flying off now. Damn. Can't see them. I don't know if you guys saw that at all. Just going along, and I was like, they're just like going from one tree to another. And they just look like, once they're on there, they look like the leaves of the tree. Whoa, look at them all in the road. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh wow! That's incredible! Awesome!
But it tastes bittersweet. Oh, I keep on falling. Oh, I like the taste of it.
Stampede! I thought I was mad!
Blacking out, frets fading day by day. I'm reaching out for someone who can take away the pain I feel, the things I haven't done at all. I've lost my way, but how I felt I can't recall. Do I wanna try? Can I let it go? Running from the past, wanting to be sure. Chaos in my mind, constant deja vu. But every time it comes back to you. Whoa, I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes bittersweet. Whoa, I keep on falling. Whoa, I like the taste of it.
No, I can't hear anything to say, but earplugs in.
How far you been?
Oh, from Perth.
From Perth?
Yeah, Perth to Monkey Mine and around the top.
I see you on just on by yourself, eh?
Yeah, I was with a mate that he turned back at.
That's
Mine.
70.
No, it's 125.
Oh, 125, big block.
Yeah. Yeah, if you like.
How fast do you go?
Oh, about 80.
80?
90,
90,
90, something like that. Maybe down the
That's
other.
good effort, eh?
Yeah,
Comfortable or not?
It's actually pretty comfortable. Pretty chilled sitting there. You've just got to sit there. Just watch the scenery go
I've got
by.
to get a picture from your mate. He's got these little bikes.
Oh,
He's
yeah?
in the 50s and he'll go, shit, yeah. So from Perth, so when did you leave there?
Last week. Last weekend.
Last weekend.
All stocked up on supplies. Got water, coffee. I know I was naughty getting the coffee, but it's like a couple of dollars. Sue me. You can tell this is a mining area, like the traffic is instantly built up. Trucks, cars, I'm anxious about trucks trying to overtake me.
I'm still falling. Whoa, but it tastes better.
variously balanced on the front. I've got some cash out just in case the campsite I want to stay at takes cash only or something, or an envelope system. There's a really sick, cool 4x4. I see him at the service station just rocking up behind me. Badass. Just covered in dirt, which just makes it look so much cooler. Turn off for Karijini National Park. Here's a big truck. I do like the trucks. They're a bit scary on this thing because obviously they'll squish me. Right. 39 Ks. Karijini, here we come.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me
Online campsite bookings essential. Park stay. Book online at visitor centre. Book online. Is there a fucking internet here? I'm gonna book online. Because this is a visitor centre, so hopefully I can pay there. See, the funny thing is, people will be like, well, you should have booked in advance. It's like, okay, I'll book in advance, I might not get it. So that was a complete waste of time. So it's 97 Ks back to Tom Price, 180 to Newman. I have no idea where phone signal is. Apparently you can only book on there via online, and you have to pay to go on there. There's no one at the visitor centre. So my options are back to Tom Price, I suppose, because it's the closest. 100 Ks. Fuck. Bit shit, but it is what it is. Yeah, they must have Wi-Fi or internet. They must have for the Eco Lodge. That's mega money, that is. But because of that, I've got signal, I reckon. All good stuff, eh? I think I've just booked for there for 3 days. That'll do. But I've got a massive camp spot by the looks of it. I think I've done it correctly. Success! A confirmation has been sent. So we did it! Fuck. Now I've got to smash it back the other way! It was like fully booked apart from one site for 3 days. So I was like, yeah, I'll take that. Just racing the sun now. She's almost down.
make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
Well, I'm hoping Dale's Lodge is the same as Dale's campsite, because that's where there you go, Dale's campground. Dale's campground online. Yeah, we did that. At least the road's nice and wide. Don't have to worry about, well, I won't say it.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, can make me move.
Perfect. And the sun hasn't even gone down yet. Perfect little spot. Just enough room for me and little monkey.
So we have old-fashioned chicken soup. Just poured it in a pot and put the gas on. Just stir it. The adventure continues. Lovely. Dinner of champions, that.